Hi friends, welcome back to my new YouTube channel for technology. So tech channel ServiceNow. So our channel name is Master in ServiceNow by Muthu. So are you ready to master in ServiceNow? So then why are you waiting for? So start learning from today. First we will go with the basics. What is ServiceNow? How it would help in IT sector. First of all, what is ServiceNow? So, ServiceNow is a powerful cloud-based platform designed to help the organization to streamline and automate their workflows, and especially in IT. We talk about ServiceNow in detail. So, ServiceNow is used to set up a system that defines automation, and we have to manage it, and we have to structure IT services for companies. So, at a very simple level. To discuss simple manner, so as a tool that allows you to raise and track the tickets as a process for regular IT service request. If you discuss about some of the modules, not all the modules, some of the modules called as ITSM, HR operations and customer application development. So we will support the operations as well as processes. So Swan, we have a multiple modules. These are the just basic modules. We have n number of modules in ServiceNow. So those details we will talk about in a separate topic. ServiceNow tool, we have to take the license and subscription basis. So which is hosted on ServiceNow data centers as we discussed, right? So ServiceNow is a cloud based platform. So because of that, customer can access the ServiceNow any modern browsers. If you want to access the ServiceNow, you need a stable internet connection or updated browser. That's it. We no need to install anything in our local. Nothing. So this is like very user friendly and very customizable. All are hosted in cloud ServiceNow data centers only. That is the beauty of ServiceNow. ServiceNow first basically started as ITSM suite. So that is called as ITSM module, IT service management. You want to learn the ServiceNow. So first of all, you have to learn the ITSM module. So this is the ServiceNow basic module which we have to learn first. So IT service management. There are a popular modules in this module like incident module, change module, and requested items module, and as well as the problem module. So these are the popular modules in ITSM especially. So some of them we have it, but the initial stage we can learn these things only. Coming to the database, here in the ServiceNow we can use it as MySQL database. Apart from ITSM module, we have almost huge number of modules actually to learn. Those are like IT service management and IT operation management and IT business management, as well as we have to support software asset management and performance analytics, as well as security operations and HR related HR service delivery and customer service management, as well as finally and governance and risk and compliance. So not only these modules, we have a vast and huge modules in ServiceNow. So these are some of the modules which I am explaining to you. So if we discuss about the ServiceNow releases, so ServiceNow every 6 months release calendar will follow. These releases contains patch release and hotfix release and a new UI as well as the new applications and new features. Always it is evaluating with the new features that will actually use for the developers to enhance their skills up to date, right, as per the market standards. So ServiceNow release names, it is started differently with the city names in 2011. So like Aspen, first city name release. So second Berlin, likewise. So now we are in 2025 Yokohama. 2026 release also planned in ServiceNow roadmap. So that is called as 26 ServiceNow release will be named it as Austrian Q2 2026. These are the releases part, how it will be releases happen in the ServiceNow. Based on these releases, if you have any certifications like ITSM, admin, and as well as a developer, as a part of a maintenance of the certifications, you have to write the Delta exams for every 6 months based on the new releases. So, if we are talking about the self-service called as user interfaces, so we have a different portal called as self-service, so where the users can able to raise their issues and they can able to tag their RITMs, whatever it may be. In the UI part, we have a three main UI components that is called as banners and application navigators and main content pages, as well as UI versions and list and forms. And also, if we talk about the languages which are used in the ServiceNow especially, so we can use different languages for the backend and front end and different various scenarios, right? You talk about in short way, so those are like main JavaScript and AngularJS and Bootstrap and also JellyScript for portal development, and also CSS and HTML, SCSS and integrations. So, and MySQL databases we can use based on the scenarios which we are developing. So for front end for the portal development and back end for the service request and for the customization applications, for the integrations based on the custom applications and requirements, we can go for the different scripts which is mentioned here. So this is the brief introduction of ServiceNow. What is ServiceNow and how it will work, what are the modules and how releases will happen. So all this stuff, right? This is the brief introduction of ServiceNow. So in a high level. In coming sessions, we can talk about basics one by one topic. So if you need any specific topics, please do comment so that I will try to do that topics also. If you like this video, please don't miss to subscribe, like and share with your relatives and friends. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. So if you need any specific topic, please do comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Subscribe for more.